Hi everyone, it's Jean Humbrecht with Humbrecht Law, your criminal and traffic defense attorney in Manassas, Virginia. Today's question I'm going to be asking is how do they determine the fine for a speeding ticket in Virginia? Generally, the fine is $6 for every mile per hour over the limit that you were speeding. However, in some circumstances, the maximum possible fine is $250. So if you prepay the ticket, it's generally $6 for every mile per hour over the limit. And if you go to court to fight it, it could be up to $250. That is the maximum fine for almost every traffic infraction in Virginia. However, there are some areas in Virginia that have increased fines for speeding in those areas. These areas include business districts, school zones, and residential districts. So the dollar fine for every mile per hour over the limit you were going is increased, and there could be additional mandatory penalties on top of that fine. If you have more questions about the fines for speeding tickets in Virginia or any other questions about speeding, check out my book, More Than a Fine: The True Cost of Speeding in Virginia, because although we talked about fines today, the consequences of speeding are much more than just a fine. Thank you and see you guys next week.